Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. The water pump on your car's engine has the task of pumping coolant all through the system. It is a vital part, and when it's not working, huge engine damage can happen. So this is very useful to know. Stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Engine overheating. As with almost all coolant system problems, you'll first notice changes in the engine temperature. At first, while the pump is still working to some extent, there may be smaller variations, but this over time, as the pump fails, builds up to full engine overheating. Low coolant level. Next, you'll notice a constant low coolant level. At first, you won't have to add coolant that often. Later, it will be once a week, for instance. At the final phase of the problem, it may be even more often. Coolant leaks. Shortly after the coolant level problem, you'll probably notice coolant leaks under the car. With the water pump, the leak may be hard to spot since the leak is hidden under the timing belt cover. On most cars, the water pump is driven by the timing belt. Most times, the leak appears on other parts of the engine bay, and this may be misleading when searching for the problem. Bad cabin heating. Like with most coolant problems, it's the same case with the water pump. You'll notice that the cabin heating is bad. The poor coolant flow also affects the flow through the heater core, and this means less heating. A squeaking or grinding sound coming from the pump. The final and most dramatic symptom is a squeaking or grinding sound coming from the water pump. The reason is worn out bearings on the water pump. This is a common cause of problems, by the way. When you hear these sounds and conclude they come from the water pump actually, it's best to stop driving the car, turn off the engine, and replace the pump as soon as possible. Otherwise, the timing belt may skip and it may cause major engine damage. As already mentioned, on most cars, the water pump is driven by the timing belt. So, if you do regular maintenance and change the timing belt on time, there's a good chance you'll avoid this problem altogether. Know that in the timing belt replacement set, you get a new pump, and it is common practice to change it at the same time. The moment you notice any of the stated symptoms, react immediately. If the water pump seizes, it can block the timing belt, the belt will snap, and the engine may suffer huge damage. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helps find the problem. Please like and subscribe, it's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.